Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus of mathematics D2 unit number 3 as set. Today we will discuss exercise 3C intermediate level question number 16 to 20 in part 4. In previous part we will discuss question number 10 to 15. Today we will discuss question number 16 to 20. Now in question number 16 given statement is that universal set x such that x is a positive integer such that x is greater than 3 and less than equal to 18 and y is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 and z is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 9. Now in part 1, list all the elements in universal set Y and Z in set notation. Now, first of all, universal set is equal to x such that x is a positive integer, x is greater than 3 and less than equal to 18. So, universal set is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 and y is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3. Now multiple of 3 and greater than x is greater than 3 and less than equal to 18. So y is equal to 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Z is multiple of 9. So Z is equal to 9 and 18. In second part, B part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the universal set Y and Z. First of all, universal set. Now draw the element of Z 9 and 18 and now draw the element of Y 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So in this diagram we can see that all elements of Z belong to Y. Now in C part, from the Venn diagram find first part Y union Z whole complement. First of all we take Y union Z. So Y union Z is equal to element of Y union element of Z. In union write all the elements in both sets. So answer is 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Now take the Y union Z whole complement. So Y union Z whole complement is equal to element of universal set minus element of Y union Z. So in a subtraction, write the element of first set that cannot belong to a second set. So answer is 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16 and 17. Now in second part, the given statement is that y intersection z prime. First of all, find the value of z prime. Now z prime is equal to universal set minus z. Now write all the element of universal set minus element of z. Now in a subtraction, we can write the element of first set that does not belong to a second set. So we can write the element of first set that does not belong to a second set. Now the answer of z prime is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now we have find y intersection z prime. So first of all write the element of y intersection element of z prime. Now in both set intersection take the common element in both sets. So we write these elements on both sets. So y intersection z prime answer is 6, 12 and 15. Now we have question number 17. It is given that universal set x such that x is a non-negative integer less than 12 and p is equal to x such that x is a prime number. Q is equal to x such that x is a not prime number. So in first part list all the elements of universal set P and Q in set notation. So universal set is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The non-negative integers less than 12. Now in a P set that is equal to x such that x is a prime number, so P is equal to 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. And set of element of Q that is not prime number, so Q is equal to 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have moved the second part. In B part, draw the Venn diagram to represent the universal set Q and P. So in this form, from the Venn diagram, find. Now we have find P union Q. First of all, write the element of P union, write the element of Q. In union, write all the elements in both sets that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. This is the answer of P union Q. And in second part, P union Q whole prime. This mean is that universal set minus P union Q. So first of all, write the element of universal set minus element of P union Q. So both element of set is same. So answer is that is a empty set. They have no element in first set that cannot belong to the second set. So answer is empty set. Now we have in third part P prime intersection Q. Now first of all find the P prime. What is mean by P prime? P complement. Now taking the P complement, write the element of universal set minus P set. So we take the element of first set that does not belong to the second set. So answer is 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have P prime intersection Q. P prime intersection Q is equal to element of P prime intersection element of Q. Now take the answer of both elements in common in these sets. So answer is 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have draw the Venn diagram according to the B part. First of all universal set. Now element of first set and element of second set. In this diagram we can see that no element in common both set. So the answer of this set is empty set. They have no common element. Now we will move the next question, question number 18. In 18, identify and shaded the following region on separate the Venn diagram. Here 8 parts are given. First of all, in B part what do you notice about the set? So we can draw and shade it according to the given condition. Now we have in both parts. Here we can see that what is note about this set. So answer of this part is both are same. They are same because A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Or in other words, we can say that this is the De Morgan first law. What is the De Morgan first law? According to the De Morgan's law, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So according to the given condition, they are same. Now in B part, we can see that A union B whole complement is equal to A prime intersection B prime. This is the answer of first part. They are same and they are equal according to the De Morgan's law. Now in second part, A intersection B whole prime is equal and A prime union B prime. So answer is they are also same. Why? According to the De Morgan second law, A intersection B whole prime is equal to A prime union B prime. So according to the De Morgan's law and general set law, A intersection B whole prime is equal to A prime union B prime. Now in next question, question number 19. Identify and schedule the following region on the separation of Venn diagram. In this diagram, we can see that one set is the subset of other set. First of all, in first part, find the Q prime. Q prime means universal set minus element of Q and taking with union of P and draw the diagram. Similarly, in second part, P intersection Q prime and third part, P union Q whole prime and fourth part, P intersection Q prime and next part, P prime union Q prime. All parts can show the Venn diagram and different color we can shaded the region. Now we have in next part question number 7 P prime union Q whole prime. So we can shade the region of the following. And last part we can see that P union Q prime whole prime. So in this region we can shade the same diagram but according to their condition we can shade the answer of part. Now in next question here two different sets mean both are disjoint set, no element is common in this diagram. So we can identify and shade the region on the separation of Venn diagram. Here also some parts are given and according to their condition we can shade the different color of different diagram. But given diagram we can see that this is a disjoint set, both are disjoint, no element in common in both set. So according to condition we can shade the region. Now in next part we can see that this is the different part and all part can be shaded according the different colors. Now best of luck in remaining video with remaining lesson.